Welcome to our video on assembling a high-end PC with the best components in the market. We have gathered the latest and greatest components to make a powerful and reliable system. Let's start with the brain of the system, the CPU. We've selected the latest Intel Core i9 processor for its incredible performance and reliability. Next, we have the motherboard, which is the backbone of the system. We've chosen the Asus ROG Maximus 12 Extreme for its robust feature set and excellent overclocking capabilities. Now, we move on to the memory. We've selected 32 GB of Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB RAM for its speed and style. For storage, we've gone with the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD and the Seagate Barracuda Pro 10 TB hard drive. The SSD provides lightning-fast boot and load times, while the hard drive offers ample storage for all your files. The graphics card is the powerhouse of any gaming PC, and we've chosen the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 for its amazing gaming performance and ray tracing capabilities. Finally, we have the case. We've chosen the Lian Li PC011 Dynamic for its sleek design and excellent airflow. And there you have it, a high-end PC with the best components in the market. This system will provide unparalleled gaming and productivity performance for years to come. Thanks for watching.